You missed it.
Aye. Hit the tree.
And look,
We've got literally, we're seeing that this range, the trees are put the first one like that, but we hit the tree and stand fast.
no battery's gone on now.
No. Mine, I think mine's like dead low. I'm gonna have to buy a new one.
Weird.
I should have one more gun here, but I've lost it.